these marble statues? Alright, so these all are marble statues, fully designer. They are made of marble and the design is of?
Marble पर real gold work किया हुआ.
This is real gold work. So this must be real 22 karat gold. So this must be very expensive. This is statue of Lord Ganesha. And here's so cute elephant. And what else you have rather than marble? What are these? Oh, so cute.
Sound supari lachi वाला रखने के साथ. जैसे ये ऑक्साइड मेटल है ये मीनाकारी है.
This is Meenakari. Alright, this is made from oxidized metal and this is Meenakari. This work you can see is made of Meenakari. This is Jaipur is famous for it, right? Alright, and we can keep some pan masala, suparis and churans and all in this. Okay. This is also oxidized metal again. Alright, if these things are kept in our house now, okay. Alright, so you can keep kaju, kishmish, almond, akroot and all. Alright. And this one? Oh. Jewelry box. Right? Oh great. Jewelry is going to look awesome in this jewelry box.
Jewelry? वो आगे शो में होती है. यहाँ देखिए इस डिस्प्ले. यहाँ से दिख. जैसे ये चेयर्स वगैरह और खुद के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं.
Alright, these chairs are your home production. Okay, these are also made from oxidized metal, right?
This is basically wooden and then white potter sheets.
Okay, white potter sheets.
This is a very well.
So you have made it yourself. Oh, that's great.